SutureOut is the innovative tool that simplifies suture removal for the practitioner and makes the procedure more comfortable for the patient. Nurses and doctors alike know the pains of using conventional tools that are often frustrating and tricky to use, especially when tackling tightly tied knots, embedded stitches, and dealing with uncooperative patients. SutureOut lets you cut from outside the suture loop, enabling quick, easy, and safe severing of the suture. SutureOut offers 3 key advantages compared to conventional tools. 1. It's easier and faster. Cutting from the outside eliminates the need for excessive pulling on the stitch to get inside the suture loop necessary with conventional tools. Sever the loop, stick it to the tool's tacky surface, and move on to the next stitch. Easier and faster for the practitioner and more comfortable for the patient. 2. It's safer. SutureOut is a guarded blade that will help you avoid the perils of pokes, pricks, and cuts that are common with scissors and scalpels. Reduce inadvertent trauma while improving patient comfort and healing outcomes. 3. It's cleaner and greener. Save on cleanup time and maintain a hygienic workspace by utilizing SutureOut's integrated tacky surface to collect knots. Produce significantly less waste compared to plastic and metal tools by using a compact tool made of mostly renewable resources. Available in tool only for practices that prefer to use SutureOut with autoclave forceps, or as a kit that includes forceps for those looking for a fully disposable option. Request a free sample by visiting our website at www.sutureout.com.